Click File, Open, go into your removable disk, go to your Toolbox, and then go to your color picker tool. Open up the Carnations JPEG. Now, when you use GIMP, the default are black foreground on a white background. Okay, and you can actually use a special tool called the color picker tool to select colors from an existing image. So anywhere I click the screen using the color picker tool, if I click here, click here, click here, you'll notice that the color that I have sampled shows here in this color area. Okay. Now, every place on this image has its own color, and when I click to sample, I'm sampling that exact spot. But if I click sample average, and I can choose a larger radius or a smaller radius, that averages out the pixels or the colors in that area, so you get an average of all the pixels nearby. Okay, because depending where you click, just by moving the eyedropper a little bit, you'll notice that the shade changes. This will help us average out the nearby colors so that a color that is averaged. Okay. And then the final thing is you can click here, add the palette, and what that does is if you go to the windows and the dockable dialogues and you go down to colors, a color palette opens up, and you'll see that that color sampled earlier on the flowers now appears within our palette. Okay, so that color is now ready to use. And for example, I mean, if I wanted to, I could switch to brush, for example. And now that I've got pink selected, I can draw or write my name using that color. Okay. While we're talking about this box here, you'll notice that here there's a slider. I can get up and down. Okay. It starts off red and then goes into like purples and blues and then greens, yellows, and then oranges. You can basically drag the slider to get a general color, and then you can also click this to choose between darker or lighter. And when you find a color that you like here, that is basically the color that you have selected. So if I go back here and I use the paint brush, I can basically write something with that color that I had made. So anyway, using the eyedropper tool lets you sample and select colors from an existing image. And if you want the color palette, go down to here and open up this palette, and then you can manually choose whatever color you would like to have. Okay. And then using a brush, you can draw with that